Hi, this is Extend Office. Do you want to hide all unused cells, rows, and columns in Excel, so your worksheet looks cleaner and users can focus only on the working area? In this video, I will show you how to quickly hide the unused area. First, click the row number directly below your used working area. Press Ctrl, Shift, and the down arrow key to select every row from that point to the bottom of the worksheet. Right-click anywhere inside the selected rows. Then click Hide. All unused rows below your data will be hidden immediately. Next, click the column letter directly to the right of your used working area. Press Ctrl, Shift, and the right arrow key to select every column from that point to the end of the worksheet. Right-click anywhere inside the selected columns. Then click Hide. Now all unused rows and columns are hidden, and only the working area remains visible. To make hiding unused rows and columns even easier, you can use Kutools for Excel. After installing Kutools for Excel, select the working area that you want to keep visible. Go to the Kutools tab. Click Range. Then click Set Scroll Area. All unused rows and columns outside the selected range will be hidden immediately. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Excel tips. See you next time.